Thinking more like
vinyl?
Yeah.
Okay. What color do you think?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For the ones that don't know, my name is Bella, and if you are new or haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because I help get the channel out there. We are here at one of our newest sponsors, not officially, but that's what we're here to do, is to make it official and to be a part of their team. And I'm so excited because I've been needing seats. Our new sponsor is going to be Status Racing. Status Racing. I'm going to finish Brex real quick and then we're going to...
I'm going to finish Brex.
I hate you. I'm going to finish Brex. Hopefully they're cool with us filming inside. Oh, it looks so cool in here. It is nice. I didn't know they had all these seats. Just the ones that I've seen on the site so far. They got merch over there, the harnesses. Looks cool. They got their wheels and all the straps.
I didn't know they had racing wheels.
Yeah, and they're located here local in Temecula, California. Oh, so here's an example of their reclinable ones. I prefer the fixed back ones. This one fits me perfect, the GTX one. You would probably be more for like grid fit. They got the Tussie.
Dang, dude.
So they have like these little ones for like kids, but
No,
compared to...
It's just a normal size one for you. Yeah. So this is all the fabric
Yeah, just storage of the fabric, really. And then here's just like on the rolls. So you have like, here's the yellow suede up on a roll. We have it in foamed and non-foamed, so just all the pieces. These machines run 16 hours a day. So Janelle runs the first shift, and then the next gal runs the evening shift, but from 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. These machines are electronically cutting out the seats. So we upload what seats we're doing, and then the sections of each seat. So this is a carbon fiber black. So any seats today that she's cutting for next week, because we always cut a week in advance, they're cutting up the pieces that are carbon fiber black that maybe someone chose. So there could be 20 orders utilizing carbon fiber black next week on a Wednesday, and that's what we're cutting. We'll cut right here all the way out for seat samples that you can take with you if you want stuff to actually have. You can see that someone getting started basically on a sew there.
And so this is all like...
All hand sewn.
Oh.
Every single piece.
That's crazy.
The only thing we don't make anymore is our fiberglass shells. Our carbon fiber shells we still make, but any of the fiberglass stuff we don't make anymore. Otherwise, we just sew the covers are all custom and US made.
That's crazy. I thought it was kind of like, you know, like all machines.
That's every other company that sells racing seats. It's all just like, they go to the shelves and they grab a box and they go, all right, here we go. Customer orders this, and it's already pre-done. There's no customability to it. So having the sewers be able to sew stuff like to order really allows for you to do what you want.
And so how long, like, would you say, like, on average, does it take to, like, make one seat?
So start to finish is one week of a normal process. From the time someone orders, it's 3 weeks. We normally have like a 2 or 3 week backup or so. And then, yeah, it's 1 week to the finish line. Any customer can have an order rushed for some extra monies. But, you know, we will push it through. We've done seats for Dak Prescott in one day. Sometimes it just happens. Here's some composites that are waiting. So you have, she's going to want to see these, but Star WRX, so that's her Instagram handle. That's her logo. So these are waiting to get mounted. And so all mountings in here, we end up gluing, we move all of our foam. And quality control comes over here and then ends up cleaning everything and making sure everything's accurate. And then when it's ready to ship, it just goes over here.
Heck yeah. Yeah, the fact you guys do QC like here is sick.
Everything's checked. You know? It's not like we grab that box off the shelf that we ordered and just ship it to you and go. And then the customer goes, "Wow, this isn't what I ordered." Like nobody checked that box, you know. So this is like every single thing gets checked. All the orders, like here's on the bottom of the seat, we know exactly what work order it is. That all gets checked. Make sure it's 110% accurate. Because the machine over there leaves little marks, and the sewers leave little extra strands. We cut all that stuff off.
That's crazy, right?
Yeah, look at you. Now you're hype, huh?
Yeah, I know. I'm excited.
So yeah, you can see like the little markers. You can see like little strings that have to be cut. But overall, you know, it's ready to go. And it's got like this little seatbelt slots in it. Yeah.
Like that's it.
That's literally it.
Yeah.
That's like the sexy stuff. Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's mind blowing.
Yeah. It's really neat to kind of come in here and check it all out, kind of just firsthand. Most people don't realize that really, you know, status racing is like 100% custom seat. You know, besides just molding a shell to your body, it's fit for your car, it's fit to your look. No one's gonna have the same seat as you. That's the idea, at least. You know, no one's supposed to have the same seat as you. As long as you don't go, you go wild, then you do. Unlike your suggestion, going clean.
Yeah,
you know?
I'm boring, dude. Like
you do black suede.
Personality.
Yeah, wow.
With white stitching.
What? No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. I would totally do that.
Like coming from the outside in and looking like what goes on behind the scenes that not a lot of people get to see, this is cool.
No.
Maybe more like
The vinyl.
Yeah.
Okay. What colors do you think? Here's some grays.
Yeah. Fun.
That's the dark. Yep.
This is
I've seen some of the gray and the purple on the off-road side, but not a lot on the status side.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Got perk. Dang, dude.
Thanks for cruising in.
Till next time.
Till next time. Can't wait to see the seats. Next time will be when you come pick them up.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Hell yeah.
I'm curious to see how you do it. Because your style is much different than mine.
I know, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm excited. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about an update as to what's been going on like the process of wrapping this car. The issue is we have the wrap, we have the tools, we just don't have the space. Well, didn't have the space. Now we just got to figure out a good time to do that. This is probably like the worst part that I'd probably see. What? Dude, this is my underglow. What the fuck? Now, back to what I was saying about the car. That's the only part in the car where we're gonna have to do like some crazy, not crazy, but like some kind of work to it. But other than that, like the rest of the body of the car is good. We do have these side skirts that do have to get sanded down too because our old driver fucked this up so bad. But I'm curious to see how this does if I do lower the car because we can't be at this height here in California. The fitment here in California is too serious. And then majority of the work I think is going to be on the hood because we had some tree sap get on the hood of the car at our old place and went through the clear coat, unfortunately. Driving in Atlanta, we did have like a lot of random freaking hood chips. As you can see, I was told just to wet glaze it instead of filling it with Bondo since it's like a little nick. It's nothing too deep. And the bumper I don't have to worry about because I know I've been talking about getting the new bumper, but I just have to go pick that up. Trying to figure out what time or like when's the best day to go pick it up because it's not up to us, it's up to the guy who's willing to give me who's giving me the bumper. Look at all those like spider cracks and stuff. So we're not keeping this bumper at all. So we're just gonna fix our issue right now. And so I turned on the LED lights and they still work, but now we're just missing a whole strip on this side, which I'll probably reach out to Logo Shop and see if they'll send me this side because this logo clip, I freaking like it. It's probably one of the best ones that I've seen out there. In the meantime, zip ties are gonna be our best friend.
Look at, like, underglow is cool, but the same thing happened to me. It always rips off. Like,
oh, you're dark. Hold on.
Wow. But underglow always rips off. Are we getting my light skin? Like,
yeah,
oh,
yeah.
Dang, dude.
And like the Forsberg Racing shirt looks good.
I know. I'm saying, get yours at shopforsbergracing.com.
Oh, it ripped all the way out.
Oh yeah, all the way gone. All right. Well, see, but glad it happened like this and not on the highway or anything like that. I told you.
Okay, let's just take the picture.
Here. Yeah, we were just trying to take a thumbnail.
I know.
Watch the wire. So, well, now you're driving with it. Nice.
So I think that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I am excited to have Status Racing a part of our G family. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget that I will be at Cali Creaming on September 10th and Spocom September 16th. I will see you guys in the next one.